If he keeps getting warned, the referee might have to book. And it's a goal! The first 45 seconds have gone. The gap can easily be closed. The goalpost saved the goal. Is he going to shoot or not? He needs to shoot better if he wants a goal. He's buried the ball in the back of the net. It's giant player time. Only 30 seconds left until we'll find this time he scored with his head. He slightly curves the ball. What an amazing goal. Right into the back of the net. That's a fine header. What a header. Just like a bullet. Denied by the post again. Incredible goal. Brilliant. He's after a goal in the low corner. The last 10 seconds starts now. Oh, what a strike. He's trying to score from the ground. The match is almost over. Into the penalty area. Here comes the final whistle. It was a match with tons of goals. The fans are leaving the stadium satisfied.
زمان ألعبها. الروايات ابتداء 3 شهور ما يديك المركز لأول أو ثاني ثالث 6 أوكي بحط الخيار خيار لا خيار أسرع غير المعولة معلم عندي هنا ممكن كرامة طب جيم الميل اوكي let's go اوكي بدنا هلاقي خلاص لا
A match between two very skilled players. A competitive and exciting 90 seconds awaits us. The first goal has arrived very quick. He used his superpower early in the match. He drilled the ball into the net. Fantastic strike. He's waiting for his opponent to make the first move. He's trying to form an attack. He's looking for a chance with his dribbling skills. He's turned into a giant in front of goal. A good shot will bring a goal. He's playing fantastically. He slightly curves the... And it's a goal! Frosted. We're halfway through the match. The gap isn't that big, so the match is not over yet. He's dribbling down the field. He's sending high balls to his opponent. Incredible goal! Brilliant! He keeps hitting the crossbar. The ball bounced off the goalpost. He keeps on juggling the ball before a new attack. He's put a shield in front of goal. What a mind-blowing goal. Perfect header. The match is almost over. This time he scored with his head. A shot towards the penalty area. The 90 seconds are over. And the final whistle. For the player who conceded so many goals, the alarm bells are surely ringing.
مليان دورك الجمع مفردان في المناطق 50 مجوهرة. اوكي لازم احط يلا خلينا نلعب شخصيتي بس.
The match is about to get underway. Good luck to both players. There goes the whistle, and the match is underway. She's juggling the ball and making her opponent mad. The player is jumping everywhere. Bounced off the goalpost. The goal came with a brilliant header. A fireball, it's hard to catch. It's a fireball. The match is now 1-1. He used freeze. Great header to deflect the ball. The score is 2-1. She sees the goal and shoots. The ball is in her own net. Awesome save. A giant player. The match is 3-2. We're watching a very entertaining match. She scored a goal. A shot from the air. The fans are going wild. Perfect strike. 45 seconds have passed in the match. What a terrible effort. The gap is quite... What's happening? An own goal. Unlucky off the post. No more super, so I guess she's confused. She needs to score in the opposite goal. Only 30 seconds left until the final whistle. What a header, just like a bullet. She's sending rockets to the other. Hats off to that amazing goal. Bounced off the goalpost. A rising shot. Off the cross, incredible goal. Brilliant. A powerful kick. The most critical moments, amazing goal. A good shot will bring a goal. Goal, goal, goal. The fans are going wild. Perfect strike. We're now waiting for the final incredible goal. Brilliant. She aims for the top corner. She drilled the ball into the net. Fantastic. And the final whistle has been blown.
أنا جبت اوكي 10. اللعب زق مليان منوضة، يعني إذا بتشوف مباراة ثانية أفضلك تعدى منوضة صح. الحين تبغون تكون عرك، من بدي أشوف حركات. يلا قفل شوية. ليه؟ يلا ما تدري. اوكي لعبي حق محترفين طبعا، ما متعود باللعبة. هذه ودي الكرة فوق، هذه وديها تمشي. ايزي 4-1. اصبر بهايط شوية. اسم اللعبة تبغى تحملها؟ ايه بضيفها ونلعب ضد بعض. ايوه شو اسمها؟ اكتب كورة. كورة بس؟ اكتب كورة تلقاها عالدور. ايزي كورة بس بنت. ايش دخل؟ كورة بس كانت بنت. انت ملحم فيك. انا 10 جايب جول. والله 10 العيون المتابعين والعيون 10 وجيب 11 بعد. نزل العيون المتابعين طرد. وش اسمها؟ لا يعني هذا مسكين مرحبا. 10-6 جبتها كبري. ما أحب لما أطقق على المنوبة يعني لصقتها بنص صلعة الكورة. هذه في ثنتين. هذه الأصلية. أنا المركز الأول. بشوف اسمها. طبعا يبغى اسمها. يبغى اسمها بعد. خلاص. أتوقع أن هنا جينا نهاية الفيديو. قبل ننهي الفيديو لا تنسون اللايك والاشتراك والكومنت. يلا السلامة.